Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 27 of snowing through my minis in January. So really excited. We're in the final week. I have my $7 here. I have my D3 dice ready to go, and I can't believe it stayed closed. I closed it yesterday and it's stayed closed. That's crazy. And I'm going to borrow Brian. Set that there. So let's put our $7 into our minis bank. How are you this morning or whenever you're watching this? Let me know where you're from and what the weather's like. If it's snowing or you're in that crazy storm. We actually had a very pretty day yesterday. Got a little chilly, but in the sun it was nice and kind of warm. Well, warm for January. It was still in the, I don't know, maybe mid-60s. I don't even know. I'm saying like I know what the temperature was. I literally don't know what the temperature was. Okay. So we are going to start at number 9. That's prop coins. I was like, what am I missing? Okay, here we go. So whatever I roll is how many prop coins I put down. We've got a spinning 3 for 9. And again, I have another set of nails on. I'm having 1, 2, 3, the hardest time. And I think it's because I was trying to use up what I had. So I didn't have the best quality nails to begin with. And then I was using older glue that wasn't the new glue that I do really enjoy. 1, 2, and 3. So I think it was a couple different things happening at the same time. So hopefully these last a little bit. Oh my goodness. This is a lot of 3s. We might not make it all the way around. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, weird. I have 1 left. It's going to 6. So poor 8. Oh. And 7. I was like, that math didn't math. All right, we're 7 and 8 just totally got shafted. Okay, well, we'll start there tomorrow. That's so sad. Okay, so everything can be seen, I believe. All right, so number 1 is from I'll Always Save, and we needed 50 cents, and we got 75, so that's cool. We finished 1. So 25 and 50. So we finished this I'll Always Save, and we got $4. So we can keep one of those out. And let's get an extra. Let's see what we have in the back here. This is a Norellis Budget member exclusive reminder. You are doing really, really well. Keep going. Hang in there. You've got this. All right, I like that. So we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and we have 25 cents. So we'll just cross off that one. And we have started a new one. Yay! All right, number 2 got $1.25. And number 2, this is from Vicky Thinks. So we have $1.25. So we need 50 more cents, and this one will be done. 25, 50, 75, $1.25. This one will save us $3 from Vicky Thinks. Can't believe we didn't get all the way around. That hasn't happened too much. All right, we have 75 and 25 is $1. So $1.25 going into number 3. Oh, we only needed 75 cents. That's so cool. Okay, so we have 25, 50, and 75. This is $4 that we saved from Greta at Agape Book Club. So let's put that there. We only needed the 75. So we have 50 cents we can put in a new one. Let's do this one. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets, and we have 50 cents. So 25 and 50. This will save us $5. Love it. And then number 4 got 75 cents. I'm still just thinking about how sad I am for 7 and 8. All right, so we have 25, 50, and 75. This is from Financial Dreams with Christine, Teen Winch. Oh my God, I did it again. I was trying not to say it again because I was going to tell you about it if you didn't watch my other video. I mistakenly said Teen Winch, but I did it again. It's Teen Witch. I don't know why I keep calling it a winch. That's kind of funny. Anywho, Teen Witch. All right, we have 50 cents going into number 5. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So 25 and 50. And that will save us $2. Okay, that's dried. I was like, did I do that? Oops. And then number 6 got 25 cents. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed. Well, that's kind of perfect. This is from Pink Plum Budgeting, but first champagne. So that saved us $5. And then we need a new one in there. So let's go. What's this one? From Bookish Mama Budgets, Horror Book Club. Look at the little jacket. It's so cute. So we don't have anything to put in there. One of these times it's going to be actually all Lindsay in my book. It's going to be pretty funny. All right, so I'm going to peek at what we didn't. Oh, this one's mine. We needed $1. That one's free on my Ko-fi. I can add that, hashtag add that one tomorrow, maybe. And then, oh, Tiffany with Bookish Mama Budgets. Okay, so now we started at 9 and we have $1 going into 9. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we only needed 50 cents. This saved us $4. Oh my goodness. So we have 50 cents that we can put into a new one. All right, let's go to the front. What is up here? This is from Becca Budget 777. It looks like it'll save us $4, so we can mark off 2 lemons. 1 and 2. That seems like a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it's perfect. Oh my goodness. All right, we have $1.25 going into number 10. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I've been a part of her Ko-fi since it very first started, so I have pretty much every single mini that she's ever given any of her members. So I'm lucky enough to have all of this. Okay, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. All right, $1.25, and this one will be done. Oh my goodness, that was fast. Look at all the ones we saved. All right, so now we're going to borrow Brian again. Thanks, Brian. And we're going to go to our minis bank. Actually, you know what? Let's put our prop coins away first. We're going to do this a little bit out of order because it looks like we have a lot of completed challenges. All right, so we have $4, $5, $4, $4. All right, so 4, 4, and 4 is 12 plus 5 is 17. Wow, that is, I don't think that's the most I've ever gotten in one time, but that's pretty good. 17. All right, so let's see. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Let's do it that way. Super cool. All right, so our completed, and I just keep my money in here because at the end of the month, I'm going to count to see how much I saved for the whole month and how many challenges I completed. So we get to add 4 more. This number is what I'm really excited about because I can't believe how much we're saving. And it's anywhere from like $2 to $6. So if I think about it, I'm saving more than I think I am. Because I didn't think I was going to be able to save that much, but I'm pretty stoked about that. So, all right, well, that was day 27. Nope. Oh, I did it. I stretched it. Okay. That is chunky. So thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate you leaving really sweet comments about how you're watching the videos and rewatching them and playing along with me and all the things. I am so excited, and I'm working on my little setup for February. So very excited about that. But for now, we have the Let It Snow Somewhere Else, and we have Brian, and all's good over here in Vegas. No snow. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and until next time, take care. Bye.